Hi guys, this is SADESIGN. Today I'm going to show you how to create a typographic portrait poster in Photoshop. Here I have a portrait photo of Ronaldo. Let's remove all color first. Press Ctrl-Shift-U for Windows or Command-Shift-U for Mac. This step is to turn photo into black and white. Next, we'll separate the subject out of the background. To do that, go to Select, Subject, then select and Mask. Pick up Refine Edge Brush tool and paint on the edges of the subject to make the selection precisely. Make sure to check on the contaminated colors and set the amount to around 45%. In Output Toolbox, select New Layer with Layer Mask and OK. Now the subject is already cut out from the background. Press Ctrl or Command N to create a new document. Set the values as below: width 12 inches, height 16 inches. In color profile, choose sRGB and black in background contents. Then create. Move back to the original photo. Use Move tool, V shortcut, and move this layer to the new document that we have just created. Ctrl or Command T to resize the image. You can hold Shift, Alt, click to the corner and drag out to expand the image from the center. Adjust it to fill the background. Next, Ctrl or Command R to open the ruler. Go to the ruler on the left, click and drag out the guideline to the center of the document. Pick up Rectangular Mercury tool, M shortcut, click to beige icon on the lower right corner to create a new layer. Click to the small arrow here to switch the black color to the front, or you can easily do that with shortcut X on keyboard. We are going to draw a rectangle shape. Start from the top left corner of the image, drag the selection over half of the image. Make sure it correctly aligns to the guideline in the middle. Fill the selection with black color by pressing Ctrl or Command Delete. This is the reason why we change the black to the foreground. Next, we'll type the text on this layer 1. Use Horizontal Type tool. Choose the font that you like or choose Montserrat Black just as I did. Because the text is on the left side of this poster, so make sure to choose a light right icon. Click to the color box and choose white color. Place your cursor on the top, next to the middle line and type the first two texts. The spacing between the text is too close. To add more space to it, open the character window by heading to Window, Character. Just increase the leading to add more space. Now, type more text to fill all the image from top to bottom. If it's not enough, press Ctrl or Command T and drag it out to fill all the blank. Next, take the selection of this text, hold Ctrl and click to the text layer. Turn it off. Move to layer 1, press Delete. How cool is it? However, the first 3 texts are not eligible. We have to fix it now. Choose the face first. Pick up Dark tool. Make sure to choose Shadow in Range. Exposure 100% and check to Protect Tones. Now, just brush on the text that you want to brighten. Pick up Brush tool next. Ensure foreground layer is in white. The opacity is just at 10%. Pen to remove some of his hair on the text, and this time we can read the text easier. create another new layer that above layer 1. Press Ctrl or Command Delete to fill this layer with foreground color. Reduce fill of this layer 2 to 0%. Click to FX icon and choose Blending option. Turn on Inner Glow and Stroke to create a border to this poster. Add a bit of contrast to the image with Curve Adjustment layer, increase highlight and decrease shadow. There you go! Enjoy this new technique to create a portrait poster. If you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and notification to update the latest video every day. Thank you and bye bye!